These are my seasoning I will be using today. We have some mirin, soy sauce, a little salt, garlic, rosemary, parsley, sake, ground pepper, black pepper, chili powder, ginger, MSG. Yes, I put MSG in everything because it's MSG. It makes it good. I shouldn't be cussing, but it makes it good. Anyway, today we have some sweet potatoes, sweet baby carrots, regular golden potatoes, and some shrimp. So what will I be making today? Uh, Something I don't know the name for it, but I'll figure it out when I'm done cooking it. But this is very fast and easy. I'm just gonna get started. This is all I'm using today. The shrimp. I just leave the shrimp in the bag and pour water in it. Kind of defrost. Alright, and now I'm gonna boil this before I come to season the shrimp. I'm gonna put it in the pot real quick because I have to hurry up. Here we go. Yes, I washed it a little bit. Not too much, just enough. Depends on the portion you're making. So the fact that this one is second, I am going to put it in the back on this stove because I'm using this front one for the wok. Also, when you put these in the pot, don't forget to add just a little bit of salt just to bring out the flavor just a little bit. And just stir it and let it do its thing. I don't know why I put that out. You know what? I had a little bit of the lapshon left in my fridge, in my freezer, so I'm gonna use it. Shoot. This is frozen, by the way, so now I'm just gonna cut it. There we go. That works. I'm doing it just for flavor. Again, you can substitute to whatever protein you have. Please don't do that. This thing is very hard. Whatever protein you have in your fridge or freezer. Yes, you can use beef. Yes, you can use chicken. Yes, you can use pork. And yes, 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 yes to everything. No, you cannot use human. We don't do that. No, you cannot use dog or cat. Please don't. Don't piss me off. But I'm putting a mirror in. Trust the process. If this thing squirt on me, we're gonna have a problem. Yes, I'm putting this amount. You will understand why later. Because I'm not using salt, and this is what I'm using. So we need to put as much as possible to get the best flavor. And then some mirin. He loves rosemary, so I'm gonna not do a lot of rosemary because it is very strong. It's very, very strong. Gonna add some black pepper. Yeah, yeah, that's enough. Chili powder. This is actually not the regular chili powder. This is the gochugaru, the Korean pepper flakes that I blended in the blender and put it in here. So it looks like this. Because I feel like it's much more spicier than the regular chili powder they sell at the store. And I'm gonna add some of this garlic. Some ginger. Trust me. Trust the process. Yes, that's a lot of ginger. Yes, I did it for a reason. And some parsley. Parsley. Some parsley. And the star of the show, a little bit of MSG, because it's supposed to make this shit good. There you go. That's a little bit. See that? That's what you mean by a little bit. Thanks. Look at that. Yes, I'm still checking on my potatoes and carrot. I'm just gonna turn this on. Get my wok hot real quick because I'm about to start. And see, just gonna stir this first. Let it marinate. I know you're like, why are you seasoning your lapshon? Lapshon don't need seasoning. You're right, it do not. You don't need to season it, but I'm cooking them all together anyway, so it is what it is. And this my wok. While it's hot, I just added in a little bit of oil and I lower the stove. See, for a little bit, because it lower a little bit. Turn up the stove to medium again. Yeah. I need you to be hotter than this. Real hot girl-ish. Yeah. What is that? Let me check on my potatoes. My potatoes. And carrots. Oh yeah, that is. Yep, that's good enough. I did not want to overcook this, so. Ooh, and some cold water. Yes, you heard me, cold water. Because if it cooked too much, put some cold water on it. Specifically, the potatoes that were sliced very smaller, that's having the issue. But overall, it's fine like this. Okay, that's very hot. Why did I hold on my hand? Put it right here. Turn that off. Oh no, that is slightly charred. That's the color you want. I know you're gonna be like, it's burning. No, it's not. That's what I was going for. Now I'm just gonna throw in my potatoes in here. Also, you might want to taste it. Yeah, I kind of slightly taste. I tasted it, and it does need a bit more salt. So I'm just gonna add the teriyaki sauce, just cause. For a flavor exploration, I have to put this up a little bit so we can cook the sauce into the potatoes and carrots. Anyway, this is how it turned out. Look at it. Look and that. I'll get the orange. Kosher. Today he's having the circus animal cookies. So, as usual, take his little container and pack the cookies in a little by little. Ooh, I just murdered an animal. Oopsies. Okay, that's enough. Not too much. I'm gonna put this here. And the gusher is just right here. And in this one, I put in this and that, and then the straw. This one is for him to have in the morning to go. Again, he don't like breakfast, so this is his breakfast in a way. So yeah, that's so blurry. Oh, it is what it is. Anyways, this is everything that I packed. Do you guys think he's gonna finish it? We'll see later after he comes home from school. I'm just showing you guys after school whether he finished the lunch or not. I tried doing a voiceover of this entire video and I got frustrated because people kept calling and I kept getting alarms. And I'm like, okay, I'm sick of this because why you keep interrupting me? Anyways, just showing you guys, he finished it. Look at that. And there's nothing left, absolutely nothing, which means he enjoyed his meal, which I'm so grateful for. Exactly. Yeah. Slay. And now for the main attraction. Drummer. And that's what we have. He finished his lunch. Love it. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. I will not be posting Thursday, Friday, and Monday. Thursday and Friday, he have a retreat to go to for his school. And yeah, Monday is Labor Day, so no posting, nothing. Don't be like, what's no posting? Like, why didn't you put anything today? Well, because I have no reason to. So don't forget to like and subscribe and follow. Thanks for watching. Bye.